away from the dead raiders. I won't warn you again. You touch one of these bodies, you better be ready to draw steel.
I'm not about to fight you over a corpse.
It's their masks I want. To wear the face of a demon is to gain its power.
These raiders are dead. Can't be much power left in those masks.
A mask seller at the Oni's Breath Inn assures me they're valuable. If you want these masks, pay up or draw your sword.
We'll do this the hard way.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Getting more detailed.
I can...
Father was so patient with me.
Strike the metal like I showed you.
Quick but controlled. I heat the metal like this?
You know what to do, Atsu. Don't second guess yourself. You are improving.
I guess.
Consistency over perfection, Atsu.
From bows to quivers, I offer only the best. Decided to brave the demons of Ishikari, I see.
They die the same as everyone else.
Yes, it's why my bows are popular amongst the locals. The raiders, on the other hand, they like things for free. Not good for business at all.
Hey, you with the sword. A word?
I hope you are satisfied. Is there something else? I would leave this valley before it burns to the ground. I said the same to my friend Sanji, but no. He wanted to learn how to fight back. Now he's locked in a raider garrison. And he owes me money.
If I see him, I'll tell him how worried you are.
Is there something else?
Need a drink. Need a meal. Need a woman.
Don't look. He's watching.
Who's he?
That man on the cliff.
He seems harmless.
I said don't look. He just stands there. I'm telling you, he is up to no good. I'll pay you to get rid of him.
I'll go see what he's up to.
Be quick about it.
Cold river bath will help keep the sickness away.
What do you want, stranger?
You're making the market residents nervous.
Old man Shozo giving you trouble?
They might calm down if they knew why you were watching them.
A story better told with a meal. Please, sit. I've been marinating those mushrooms for hours. Special recipe I learned from a friend. That friend now rests in the graveyard nearby. He left a daughter. She works in the market. I promised I would protect her.
Why keep your distance?
I'm a Ronin. The life I lead, I don't want her anywhere near it. I just wish I had the courage to give her this keepsake. It was her father's.
I can take it to her.
A rare kindness. Thank you. Her name is Mine. She cleans the building next to the sake house.
Arm yourself. Buy a bow.
Bounties are on the board. All the details you need are on there.
Little bit of kindness, please. Thank you, stranger. How can I repay you?
You could tell me what you've heard about the Yotei 6.
What do you want to know?
I heard the Saito brothers have a grudge with an Odachi master. What do you know about their feud?
Only that they want him dead. If you want to know more, you'll have to ask Master Yoshida yourself. He runs a dojo in Tokachi Range, near Horosaudu Falls.
Maybe I will. Mine, I have something for you.
My father's lucky charm. That man on the cliff gave this to you, didn't he?
You know about him?
He used to visit me when my father was alive. Now he watches over me, even if I don't need him to.
Why not say anything?
A samurai without a master lacks purpose. If protecting me gives him direction, who am I to take that away?
So long as he's not bothering you.
The only man he's bothering is that crotchety old man across the way. But thank you.
A bounty board. Could tell me something about the Oni.
Ah, looking to barter?
If the raiders take over the fishery, we'll all run out of food.
You! Did you deal with that Ronin?
He's harmless, but he won't be bothering you anymore.
Good.
A bounty board. Could tell me something about the Oni. The traitorous raider Mad Goro made off with the Oni's prized musket. The Oni will personally reward whoever returns the weapon and the thief alive. This could be how I get close to the Oni.
I haven't seen him, I swear! Mad Goro stole from me too. He never paid his tab.
And you think your debt is more important than the Oni's?
No, that's not what I meant!
Dust.
You are not the dog we are looking for, but you do. Know how to use that sword? Keep away from me!
Got it great. Get ready!
That barman knows the Oni's bounty. Mad Goro.
No, no, no. Turn around. You're not welcome here.
That's no way to greet someone who saved your life.
Saved? The Oni Raiders will be back. And I'll have more than Mad Goro to answer for.
I saw his bounty outside. He stole a musket from the Oni.
Why do you think they call him Mad? Goro is as crazy as he is belligerent.
So why protect him?
I'm not. If I knew anything, I would have told the Raiders. I swear on my children, the two I like. Look, you can have one drink on the house, then please leave.
One drink. So much for gratitude. Maybe someone else knows about Mad Goro.
The way she stood up to those raiders reminds me of Sensei Takashi with his yari.
He's still hiding out at an island off the coast, training for I don't know what.
They found Oni raiders filled with bullets. Mad Goro's work.
We'll avoid that route. Which way did you say?
It's... What is a samurai doing here?
You took my tip to check out the market.
Did Commander Wada send you to keep tabs on me?
He doesn't know I'm here.
Is Clan Matsumai's golden boy going rogue?
Hardly. What have you learned?
The Oni put a bounty on one of his own raiders who stole some prized musket. They call him Mad Goro.
And you think that if you bring him in, you can gain an audience with the Oni?
Those merchants mentioned Oni raiders filled with bullets. Not many firearms in Ishikari Plain. They were about to say where, when you showed up.
Them?
The point.
I can get them to talk. Excuse me, miss?
What are you doing?
Relax. Please, send those gentlemen a round of your finest sake.
Don't say who it's from.
Gentlemen, thank you for being such excellent customers. Please, accept a round of sake.
Didn't expect to find good service in Ishikari Plain.
That should loosen their tongues.
Quiet. I'm trying to listen.
One more drink, then we head out. If we're avoiding Iwami Village, we'll need the extra light.
Iwami Village. That must be where Mad Goro killed the Oni raiders.
See? I have my ways.
Out of the way, or feel the Oni's wrath.
Oni raiders. But are they here for me or you?
Let's find out.
The samurai. Where is he?
I want my reward first.
Your reward will be a sword through the gut, unless you tell us where the samurai is.
I guess they're here for me.
Look, boys. He found himself a woman.
You've got the wrong idea.
Why don't we set them straight?
He's not human! What are you? I see why they fear you. I have seen your face on a poster.
Come on, before reinforcements arrive. These people are forced to live in fear under the Oni.
We know what that's like.
Atsu, about that night. What they did to our parents.
Forget it. I shouldn't have said anything. There's your horse. Give Commander Wada my regards.
Atsu, wait. Can we please talk?
Be quick. I have a bounty to catch.
Let me help you.
Why?
Father would want us to work together, and I want to know my sister.
You may not like who I've become.
You're assuming I liked you before.
All right. But this is my job. I make the calls.
Lead the way.
Iwami Village. That's where we'll pick up Matt Goro's trail.
It's just across this bridge. I remember when this happened. The Oni sent his raiders to torch the village after they gave our clan supplies. By the time we arrived, everything was in flames. All we could do was watch.
We should ask around. See if anyone saw Matt Goro.
Clan Matsumaya has come to help! My lord! Over here!
Atsu! This way.
I knew Clan Matsumaya would not abandon us. Not after we provided food and lumber for your bridge.
We're just passing through.
To relay a message. Gather any survivors and head to the southern camp. Tell them Lord Kitamori sent you.
Thank you, my lord.
Before you go, we're looking for someone called Mad Goro. He carries a musket.
I heard something like thunder behind Bear Rock.
Gunfire. Where was this?
It's down the road on the left. Thank you again, my lord.
Safe travels.
That was quick thinking, using your name to help those people.
When we first arrived in Ishikari Plain, the settlers did everything they could to support us. We have since failed them too many times. Look, dead Oni raiders.
Shot in the back while running away.
There's a snuffed-out campfire on that ridge. Perfect sightlines. Matt Goro's not just a thief, but a skilled marksman.
Let's look around. A smashed Oni Raider's mask. Ugh! Why does it smell like urine?
So far, Matt Goro's living up to his name. A single firearm couldn't do this kind of damage.
No. The Oni Raiders tried to sneak up on Matt Goro's camp and got a firebomb for their effort.
Then he picked off the stragglers with their own warlord's stolen musket.
Looking for Mad Goro? I'm afraid he's our bounty.
Until caught, he's no one's.
Gentlemen, why don't we save our strength for Matt Goro? May the best hunter win.
Or you can tell us what you know, and keep that silver tongue of yours.
Their type don't listen to words, only steal. Any last words?
I hope you've sharpened your blades. Will pay well for you. There's no escape. I give up.
Let's make him talk.
The bounty is yours. Please, just let me go.
You want to live? Give me a lead.
We were chasing a rumor of dead Oni raiders floating in the river. They were killed with a musket.
The river? Then why are you here?
We saw your horses. Thought we'd make us stop along the way.
Bet you're regretting that decision.
He's given us a lead. Let him go.
I don't like loose ends.
Let's see what we catch at the river.
Come back!
Is this a typical day for you?
The life of a wanderer is as predictable as the weather.
With more rainy days than sunny, I imagine.
I like the rain. It's a free bath.
Here's the river, but I don't see any Oni raider corpses.
Let's head upstream, see what we can find.
It must be hard, making a living among cutthroats. Always on your guard, unsure who to trust.
That's why I don't trust anyone.
Up ahead, bodies in the water.
Oni raiders. Floating. But I can make out the bullet holes.
No other signs of a fight. Mad Goro didn't kill them here.
Must have happened further up the river. Let's go. That's it.
Was your life different in the south?
I was always on the move, fighting for whoever would take me.
But you served the Lord as part of a clan?
Lords demand loyalty. I fought for myself.
Why?
To become stronger, so I could avenge mother and father. And you.
There! Oni raiders! By the waterfall. What are they looking at?
Corpses. Mad Goro's been busy. We'll deal with the raiders and see if he left behind any clues to follow.
Hold on. We should be tactical about this. Come up with a plan.
The plan is we go in quiet. Pick them off one by one.
Even you can't sneak up on that many Oni raiders.
20 mom for every man I kill without alerting the others.
10.
If that's all you can afford.
It's all I'm willing to give.
Just don't cheat and give away our position.
Or your ego will do that for me.
Ten more.
Why would he do that?
I asked, but he just laughed. Blood pouring from his lips.
The man is not right.
What's that? What do you think the Oni will do to Mad Goro once we fight? Not hide something. Tricks. Who's there?
Damn it.
It's as if you don't want my money.
He brought alive for questioning.
You must be the one Lord Saito is after. I'm eager to earn his favor. Spare me!
Stay back on you!
That's the last of them.
Time to pay up.
You still alerted them. Now, let's take a look at those corpses. More victims of Mad Goro.
Victim is a strong word.
Pray then. No black powder residue.
They were shot at a distance. Likely from that cliff. We should check for a camp.
Use your spyglass to see if it's worth the climb.
Tired, samurai?
Prudent.
I see smoke. Shit.
Are you hurt?
No, I just hate when a bounty finds me first. Distract him with your bow while I sneak up that cliff.
You're going up there?
We need him alive, and I can't catch him from down here.
Arrows? More like arrow thrashers. Keep sending them my way. I've got a rash like you wouldn't believe. I found it small, but I picked at it. Turned into a scab. I think it's infected.
Have you tried mugwort?
I'm a wanted man. I can't take a shit without someone ambushing me, much less go herb frolic.
I have some in my pack. Come down. I'll make you a serve.
He's running!
Get it! I'll catch up!
Get back here!
You want me? Come and get me!
Come on, boy. We have to catch him. Crazy son of a... Throw bombs at me, but not at Homura!
Bombs? Like these?
I didn't need you for the Oni. We'll catch him.
Arrow in his skull.
Need him alive to reach the Oni. Mad Goro's horse. He must have gone in there.
Careful. He likely abandoned it for the high ground, where he can put that musket to use.
Find cover! Nobody fall! Come back another day!
Can't see through the smoke.
Forward.
Use your bow. Distract him so I can get close.
Because that worked so well before.
He's got nowhere to run this time.
It's your job. We meet again.
This is familiar.
Like an old song.
Except I can see you better now. Fine. Handsome. I regret telling you about my rash.
Well, there's nothing to be ashamed of, so long as you don't give it to me.
Well, you won't get close enough to catch it. You had a clear shot?
It's over, Goro.
Ah, you're a sneaky one. I prefer your friend. There's still fire in me yet.
What is that smell?
The mask of a wanted man.
He has a rat! All right?
Bastard cinched my eyebrows.
have a mosque of your own!
Sniff me again, and I'll cut off your nose.
Not so cocky now, are you, Goro? You hit hard for a ghost.
Hands behind your back. And stop talking.
So, this is the infamous Mad Goro. And our other prize, the Oni's musket. I don't know which one is more distasteful.
Time to meet your master.
What a boring, straightforward approach. Especially considering what I can offer Clan Matsumai.
Yes, we heard all about your rash.
I was referring to information. I know how the Oni Raiders operate, their numbers, where they keep their prisoners of war. Did you think we burn them all? The Oni needs labor to fix up his castle. And you samurai are so strong.
How many?
24, maybe more.
Jubei. He's playing you.
Something about your Matsumai really gets under the Oni's skin. I think you make him long for his glory days, when he was a smooth-skinned hero, not unlike yourself.
I need to bring him in for questioning.
This was always your plan. All that bullshit about getting to know me?
Men's lives are at stake.
Of course, you'd choose your clan over me.
I'm not choosing anyone, Atsu. Give me a few days, and I promise, Mad Goro and the musket are yours. We can both get what we want.
I thought we wanted the same thing. The Oni dead.
And he will be. In a couple of days.
You have 24 hours. Then I'm taking him. And no one, not even you, dear brother, can stop me.
I'll meet you near the Oni's castle.
Salmon. I hope Jubei keeps his word. Jubei is alive. He became the samurai he always dreamed of. Lord Kitamori, protector of the North. And his sister, the Onryo. Hey, boy.
Hello. You look weary. You should stop by the hot spring nearby.
A soak would be nice. Stay away from Saito and his men. Nothing good will come of it. Come on, boy. Where are you off to? These masks yours? Maybe not. Do the masks scare you? I don't like them either. No masks here. You're safe. Over here, boy.
Would you like me to take a look at your armor? Straight to business. A fine choice. Come back for tea sometime.
Jubei and I used to beg Father to take us with him whenever he left home. Didn't matter where he was going. We knew he would make it an adventure.